Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. In this intro, I want to do two things. First of all, shout out to Uncle B for my cut, okay? Just check it out. Your boy is looking sharp. Like, let's go, okay? Number two, shout out to B again for the upgraded equipment. He donated some awesome wireless mics, so now you can hear me. Like, for real, I can be standing way over there, like way over there in that field, and you can hear me just as clear as I'm standing right here. Also, guys, let's get down to freaking business. I told you before, I said it once and I'll say it again, rain or shine, we are cooking here at Bubba's Culinary Creations, and it is definitely raining. I've been wet all day. I don't care. We're cooking some freaking ham today, okay? We're gonna take some ham, we're gonna smoke that guy about 250 degrees until we reach an internal temperature of 205 to 210. We're gonna have pulled ham. Let's go. Also, you guys are gonna love what I glaze this with. I'm talking brown sugar, I'm talking some butter, a little spiced rum. We're gonna get down to business, y'all. Stay tuned for this cook. Let's go. All right, guys, we are starting off with a chimney full of some briquettes here. Just toss that guy in. Oh, yes. We're gonna get this grill up to temperature and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, let's get started with these ingredients. We have our 5-pound ham. We're gonna use yellow mustard as our binder today. Nothing crazy, just some barbecue rub. All right, and then for our glaze, we're gonna use a stick of butter, some cinnamon, nutmeg, light brown sugar, and the star of the show, some spiced rum here. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, we're just gonna rub this baby in. We'll get it flipped over here. All right, guys, that's what we're looking like. All right, don't be shy with that seasoning. Get it everywhere. Beautiful. All right, guys, we are right there at 250. Okay, guys, she is ready. Let's go. Just place her right on. And we'll let her roll. All right, it's been about an hour. This is what we're looking like now. Oh, isn't she beautiful? All right, and after about 2 hours, this is what we're looking like. And we did glaze it 2 or 3 times here. All right, this is the taste test. Oh. Guys, come on. Come on.